Oh, wow. What a time to be alive. God. Well, I don't even know when I streamed last. Have we talked about, I learned how to do remote desktop. Baller. Look, I'm just in my computer downstairs. I can see everything. I'm in the Matrix, okay? I'm in the Matrix. Can you remote through an Android phone or only through Windows devices? I mean, I do it through my iPad as well, so. What program do I use for remote desktop if I want to play Victoria? Yo, mama. I just use the Windows desktop, the Windows remote. Did you see XQC call your immigration take dog? Nope, I haven't looked at anything. Let's see what's going on here. Elaborate on the Python stream. What are you doing? I don't know. I'm probably going to spend 4 hours. I'm just going to grind the early parts of Python. I need an OBS script that moves VODs, and apparently nobody can make this. I don't know how. It doesn't seem difficult. The syntax and everything was really simple. So I feel like I just need to learn like how Python works so that I can understand just like the basic syntax, and then I can just make the script myself. So I think that's, but I don't know. We'll see how many hours it takes today to do this. Okay, what am I looking for? Tron. Where is XQC? Calls Destiny brain dead. Oh, I bet this is trying to play out the monitor. What? I feel like on Windows, I feel like you used to be able to permanently disable some sound devices. I don't know if it's these new Windows 11 messages, or I'm sorry, not messages, these new menus, but I feel like before when I would go into like my sound settings here, like if I right-click disable something, I feel like it would be gone forever. But these days, I feel like they re-enable themselves constantly. It's so annoying. Your point about Tesla and SpaceX only running because of subsidies is dumb as f. How is it dumb as f? Explain. What are you talking about? You've got something that runs off of government contracts and gets massive subsidies from the government. And these are the same people saying we need to cut all government spending? Retarded. What are you talking about?
Immigration is a problem right now. In fact, I'm 100% confident.
That wasn't my question.
I
said you think he's right.
The issue,
that between 7 and 10 million people
the reality
have
is,
come in illegally.
Here are two facts that nobody will ever talk about. Here are two, I'll tell you. Here are two facts that we do not have a problem right now with illegal immigration in the United States. We have a problem with asylum seeking. Okay, that's the number one. That's a huge thing. But number two, if this was such a huge problem, why were Republicans so content to pull the plug on it when Donald Trump said, "I need to leave"?
Okay. I like Destiny, but that is brain dead. Asylum seeking is a symptom of illegal immigration. You can't say that you have one without the other. It's
Okay, he has no idea what he's talking about. Why do I care about this? I'm good. Explain why it isn't true. The asylum seeking process is a legal process. That's the issue. So when people talk about how we need to build a bigger wall or we need to follow the law or block illegal immigrants, the issue right now with asylum seeking isn't that they're doing anything illegal. It's that the legal process itself probably needs to be changed. That's the issue. What's the actual reason why asylum seeking hit such highs under Biden? Is it post-COVID backlog? I think it's because people realize there's a loophole, and now since there's so many people doing it, you can get a ticket to just stay in the U.S. while you wait for your court date.
Those of the week out of the way.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Okay.
W part.
Who wants to go first?
You go first. Why don't you go first?
L's of the week. I have been viciously hunted down by haters.
El Bozo.
Yeah, El Bozo. They are smearing me nonstop. It's just...
Why do we call them illegal immigrants if they're following a legal process? Because conservatives call them illegals. Because conservative calls everybody that's brown is an illegal immigrant to a conservative. That's it. That's it. Even people here under TPS, the temporary protected status, people will call them illegal immigrants. It's just retarded. It's because conservatives are fucking retards. That's it.
Relentless. They're just trying to get me banned off the platform. It's not working so far, but it doesn't really matter because it still bothers me. But not to like a pretty significant degree. It's all good. W's of the week. I have a LA Times. I have a Los Angeles Times profile coming out, so that's cool. Those of the week out of the way.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Okay. How long do people usually wait for court from the date of the asylum application? My understanding is it's past like a year right now. It's like a long wait right now. Learn Python 3. Learn the basics of Python 3.12, one of the most powerful, versatile, and in-demand programming languages today. Oh my God. Welcome to Code Academy. If at any point we want to stop this, I need a script that automatically moves VODs based on what is in the title of the file to a particular folder. I need to match part of a string. Based on that match, I needed to go to a certain folder. And since apparently this is the hardest thing in the world to code because nobody has given me a working script yet, okay, I'm just going to learn how to do it. I just need to learn some basic syntax. It doesn't seem like it's that difficult. So rather than spend hours and days and weeks and years on getting scripts that don't work or half work or whatever the fuck, I'll just do it myself. I'll just learn how to do it. Because that's, you know what? That's where I'm at in my life. So that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. All right. But here you go. If you want to take a crack at it, here you go. If you send me something that doesn't work, that you've never tried before, you whatever the fuck bullshit, I'm just banning you, okay? Wait, I need to sign up to this. Welcome. What is the argument for Trump making the economy great as POTUS? If you didn't do anything, isn't it obvious he just wrote on Obama's economy? Good question. Python is a programming language. Like other languages, it gives us a way to communicate ideas. In the case of a programming language, these ideas are commands that people use to communicate with a computer. Wow! We convey our commands to the computer by writing them in a text file using a programming language. These files are called programs. Running a program means telling a computer to read the text file, translate it to the set of operations that it understands, and perform those actions. Cool. Okay, programs and commands. Wow. Instructions. Change Code Academy to your name in the script to the right. Run the code to see what it does. Whoa, my name. Destiny. Run the code. Oh my God. Hello and welcome. Destiny. Oh my God. Holy shit. Change Code Academy to your name and the script to the right. Run the code to see what it does. As soon as you're ready, move on to the next exercise. Begin learning to write your own Python programs. If you get stuck during this lesson or would like to see an experienced developer work through the lessons, watch this lesson. Concept review. Want to quickly review some of the concepts you've been learning? Take a look at the materials. This material, this cheat sheet. Well, there's a cheat sheet for this material? Oh, okay. That was an easy one. Okay. Holy shit. How do I go to the next one? Oh, next. Comments. Ironically, the first thing we're going to do is show how to tell a computer to ignore part of a program. How seemingly ironic. Text written in a program, but not run by the computer, is called a comment. Python interprets anything after a pound sign as a comment. Really? Comments can provide context for why something is written the way it is. Hashtag. Pound sign? Do they call them hashtags or pound signs? Pound sign. This variable we used to count the number of times anyone tweets the word persnickety. Wow, okay. Help other people reading the code understand it faster. This code will calculate the likelihood that it will rain tomorrow. Complicated rain calculation for tomorrow. And then ignore a line of code and see how a program will run without it. Useful value equals sloppy or old sloppy code. Wow. Instructions. Documentation is an important step in programming. Write a comment describing the first program you want to write. Oh, shit. Oh, pound sign. I want to write a script to auto move my VODs. Cool. and it doesn't do anything because the pound sign told the program to ignore it. Oh my God. Send me what you want the script to do based on example input. Here is my paste bin. This is what I want to do. This is in my ideal world. This is what I want, okay? Destiny, the problem is that okay, I am in full-on arrogance mode, okay? So for the next, like, probably 2 months, I'm going to assume way more competency on my part and way less competency on your part, based on all of the shit that I've had to learn over the past few months, okay? This is without any programming knowledge whatsoever, so I hope I make you really mad, all right? Destiny, the problem is that nobody knows the exact configuration of your setup, so we can't tell if whatever script we come up with will actually work or not. It could be the case that the script works fine on our end, but fucks up on your machine. Instead of learning how to code, your time would be better spent laying out the specific configurations of your setup, and also what exactly you want from the scripts so that we can replicate your setup to test out the code before shipping it to you. My understanding would be that if you're a competent, non-dipshit fucking retard that just copy-paste shit from Stack Overflow, you should know probably the common errors that a person could run into if they're trying to execute a script on their machine. For instance, if you give me a script and it doesn't work, and it takes us collectively 12 hours of troubleshooting to figure out, oh, wait, maybe the ACLs or maybe the permissions on your other drive aren't set up correctly, and you couldn't know that from the beginning, then you're probably just a shitty programmer. Sorry, full stop. You probably just suck shit at whatever the fuck job you have, or you don't know what the fuck you're talking about, and you just get scripts from fucking ChatGPT, and that's it, okay? So fuck you, all right? Don't care. I'll just learn it, and I will learn it, okay? Wait. So, like, okay, hold on. I will type in this paste bin what I want. Or here, I will say it. What I need is I want to match any part of a string of text, okay? Wait. Hold on, fuck. Let me type it in the paste bin, okay? Nice, good one. Copy. Goal: to be able to match a part of a file name and then sort the file, and then send a completed recording to a folder based on the file name. Hello? Example: matching ducks and sending them to folder user/duck people, matching lions and sending them to folder user/cats, such as file name my-cuteducks.mp4. Once the recording has finished in OBS, the script identifies the file name, identifies the string of text ducks in the file name, and automatically moves it to the folder user/duck people. And, file name, the big lions.mp4, the big lions-1.mp4. Once the recording has finished in OBS, the script identifies the string of text lions in the file name and automatically moves it to the folder user/cats. Destiny, will the word be in a specific position in the string, beginning at, or can it be anywhere? You should be able to match the text anywhere. I know this command exists. And I don't even know why you asked me that. There must be a way to match any part of a string of text in a file name. That must exist. It's 2024. There must be a way to do it, okay? So I don't care. I don't care. I will figure it out. I will learn it. I will figure it out, and I will learn it. I don't care. I don't even know why you asked me that question. I don't care, and I will learn it. I will learn it. We're going to go through, stop me at lesson 10. Once I get to lesson 10, okay, then I'll come back, all right? All right. Okay, comments. Now, for some reason, the comments in the OBS Python thing use // Oh, no, wait. No, they don't. They also use hashtag. Oh, I thought I saw /. Okay, never mind. They also use pound signs. Okay. Okay. Next. Lesson 3. Does it keep track anywhere? Do I know this is my third one? Now what we're going to do is teach our computer to communicate. The gift of speech is valuable. A computer can answer many questions we have about how or why or what it is doing. In Python, the print function is used to tell a computer to talk. The message to be printed should be surrounded by quotes. Print. There is something at work in my soul which I do not understand. In the above example, we direct our program to print an excerpt from a notable book. The printed words that appear as a result of the print function are referred to as output. The output of this example program would be, there is something at work in my soul which I do not understand. Instructions. Print the distinguished greeting, hello world. Print run. My God. Okay. 4. Oh, it's down here. No! I will start. Hold on. We got to start the free trial. Oh, you want to bill me? Do I want the one with career paths, interview prep, professional? No, let's just do it with a plus. Billing method. Oh, hold on. No! I just realized something. Hold on. Okay. Expiration. Hold on. Do not save. Okay. Oh my God, it even has an AI learning assistant. I wonder if the AI learning assistant is made in Python. Okay. Computer programmers refer to blocks of text as strings. In our last exercise, we created the string hello world. In Python, a string is either surrounded by double quotes or single quotes. It doesn't matter which kind you use, just to be consistent. Wow. Okay. Print your name using the print command. Print. Destiny. Stuck, get a hint? Oh my God, is that because I'm paying now? I get hints for my code? At Destiny, you can match text to text, but you can't match categories without a dictionary. Who's trying to match categories? You're fucking retarded. Shut the fuck up. Okay. Also, even if I bet you could import like a library or some bullshit, but we're not even doing that, so it doesn't matter. Okay, run. Destiny. Cool. Okay. Wait, next? Why didn't it work? Wait, print your name using the print command. If your print statement uses double quotes, change them to single quotes. If it uses single quotes, change them to... Oh. Is there anything different about the output when you change? Ooh, I don't know. Let's find out. Oh, shit. Will there be? Print. Run. Whoa, it's the same. Okay. Next. Variables. Programming languages offer a method of storing data for reuse. If there is a greeting we want to present, a date we need to reuse, or a user ID we need to remember, we can create a variable which can store a value. In Python, we assign variables by using the equals sign. Wow! Message underscore string equals hello there. In the above example, we store the message hello there in a variable called message string. Variables can't have spaces or symbols in their names other than an underscore. They can't begin with numbers, but they can have numbers after the first letter. E.g., cool variable 5 is okay. It's no coincidence that we call these creatures variables. If the context of a program changes, we can update a variable, but perform the same logical process on it. Above, we create the variable message underscore string. Assign a welcome message and print the greeting. After we greet the user, we want to wish them goodbye. We then update message string to a departure message and print that out. Wow, update the variable meal to reflect each meal of the day before we print it. Wow. Meal equals an English muffin. We've defined the variable meal here to the name of the food we ate for breakfast. Cool. Printing out breakfast. Print breakfast. Print meal. Now, update meal to be lunch. Oh, what should we have for lunch? A slice of cheese pizza. Printing out lunch. Print lunch equals print meal. Now update meal to be dinner. Oh, cool. Print dinner and print meal. Okay, well, meal equals a slice of hamburger pizza. Update the variable meal to reflect each meal of the day before we print it. Okay, and then run. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Wow! Next, errors. Humans are prone to making mistakes. Humans are also typically in charge of creating computer programs. Typically. To compensate, programming languages attempt to understand and explain mistakes made in their programs. Python refers to these mistakes as errors and will point to the location where an error occurred with a caret character. When programs throw errors that we didn't expect to encounter, we call those errors bugs. Programmers call the process of updating the program so that it no longer produces unexpected errors as debugging. Two common errors that we encounter while writing Python are syntax error and name error. Wow. Syntax error means there is something wrong with the way your program is written. Punctuation that does not belong, a command where it is not expected, or a missing parentheses can all trigger a syntax error. A name error occurs when the Python interpreter sees a word it does not recognize. Code that contains something that looks like a variable but was never defined will throw a name error. You might encounter a syntax error if you open a string with a single quote and end it with a double quote. Update the string so that it starts and ends with the same punctuation. You might encounter a name error if you try to print a single word string but fail to put any quotes around it. Python expects the word of your string to be defined elsewhere but can't find where it's defined. Add quotes to either side of the string to squash this bug. Update the malformed strings in the workspace to all be strings. Okay, so if we run it, wow, we get an error at line 1. Oh my God, because the quotes are not the same. Let's delete and change this. Now if we run it, oh my God, now we have an error on line 2. Let's put quotes here and then try to run it. Oh my God, and now it's working. Unbelievable. Next. Numbers. Computers can understand much more than just strings of text. Python has a few numeric data types. It has multiple ways of storing numbers. Which one you use depends on your intended purpose for the number you are saving. An integer, or int, is a whole number. It has no decimal point and contains all counting numbers, as well as their negative counterparts and the number 0. If you were counting the number of people in a room, the number of jelly beans in a jar, or the number of keys on a keyboard, you would likely use an integer. A floating point number, or a float, is a decimal number. It can be used to represent fractional quantities as well as precise measurements. If you are measuring the length of your bedroom wall, calculating the average test score of a 7th grade class, or storing a baseball player's batting average for the 1998 season, you would likely use a float. Numbers can be assigned to variables or used literally in a program. Above, we define an integer and a float as the variables an int and a float. We printed out the sum of the variable and int with the number 3. We call the number 3 here a literal, meaning it's actually the number 3 and not a variable with the number 3 assigned to it. Floating point numbers can behave in some unexpected ways due to how computers store them. For more information on floating point numbers in Python, review Python's documentation on floating point limitations. Wow. Wow. A recent movie-going experience has you excited to publish a review. You rush out of the cinema and hastily begin programming to create your movie review website, the big screen's greatest scenes decided by a machine. Create the following variables and assign integer numbers to them: release year and runtime. My God. Create the following variables. Can I just do this? The release year is 1997. That's the only time good movies were made. "90 minutes. Do I run it? Did you remember to define rating out of 10? Oh, whoops. Okay, now create the variable rating out of 10 and assign it a float between 1 and 10. Now create the variable rating out of 10 and assign it a float number between 1 and 10. I don't know what the fuck that means. Do I have to put like a decimal or something? Does that matter? What happens if I just do this? Type of rating out of 10 is not type class float. Oh, shit. Does this matter? I don't even know if this is what it's doing. Oh, was that it? No, wait, hold on. Let's go to 7.5. Okay. Oh, these are integers and these are floats. I understand. Okay. Oh my God, okay. Going to 8. Computers absolutely excel at performing calculations. The compute in their name comes from their historical association with writing answers to mathematical questions. Python performs the arithmetic operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with plus, minus, multiplication, star, whatever, and division or slash. Notice that when we perform division, the result has a decimal place. This is because Python converts all ints to floats before performing division. In older versions of Python, 2.7 and earlier, this conversion did not happen, and integer division would always round down to the nearest integer. Division can throw its own special error, zero division error. Python will raise error when attempting to divide by 0. Mathematical operations of Python follow the standard mathematical order of operations. Wow. Print out the result of this equation. 25 times 6a plus, okay. Do we have to do a print? Do I need quotes? Or is that just for text? I wonder. We'll find out, I guess. We'll find out if it throws an error. Oh boy. The IDE is making it seem like I need quotes. I don't know. Who knows? I actually don't know. Who knows? Let's see what happens. Run. Syntax error. Invalid syntax. Perhaps you forgot a comma. Oh, wait. Why did I put 2 of these? What about this? Oh, that didn't do anything. Do you think because it's trying to print text? I don't know. Let's try this. What does this do? Whoa. Oh! Wow. Okay. Run. Next. Changing numbers. Variables. Variables that are assigned numeric values can be treated the same as the numbers themselves. Two variables can be added together, divided by 2, and multiplied by a third variable, without Python distinguishing between the variables and literals, like the number 2 in this example. Performing arithmetic on variables does not change the variable. You can only update a variable using the equal sign. We create two variables and assign numeric values to them. Then we perform a calculation on them. This doesn't update the variables. When we update the coffee price variable and perform the calculations again, they use the updated values for the variable. Whoa, that's wild. You've decided to get into quilting. To calculate the number of squares you'll need for your first quilt, let's create two variables, quilt width and quilt length. Let's make this first quilt 8 squares wide and 12 squares long. Wow. Quilt underscore width equals 10. Do I need spaces between the shit? Whatever. It makes it look nicer. Quilt length equals 12. Wait, I'm sorry. Let's make this quilt 8 by 12. Oh, I have to do what they say. Okay. Did that work? Did that count? Print out the number of squares you'll need to create the quilt. Okay. Print. Do I want to multiply the variables or do I just want, I probably want to multiply the, oh shit. I don't remember how to do this. There's no way it's that, right? Am I just supposed to do the actual fucking, oh my God, it worked. Never mind. Okay. It turns out that quilt required a little more material than you have on hand. Let's only make the quilt 8 squares long. How many squares will you need for this quilt instead? Can I just do this? Oh my God. Okay. Number 10. We're almost, there's only 15 lessons and then we've mastered Python, okay? Okay. Python can also perform exponentiation. Whoa, what? In written math, you might see an exponent. As a superscript number. But typing superscript numbers isn't always easy on modern keyboards. Since this operation is so related to multiplication, we use the notation asterisk asterisk. Here we compute some simple exponents. We calculate 2 to the 10th power, 8 to the 2nd power, 9 to the 3rd power, and 4 to the 5th power, to the 0.5th power. Okay. You really like how these square quilts from the last exercise came out and decide that all quilts that you make will be square from now on. Using the exponent operator, print out how many squares you'll need for a 6x6 quilt, a 7x7 quilt, and an 8x8 quilt. Oh my God. You really like how the, okay. Do I need to, I'm not making variables on that shit, right? Okay. Print. Okay. Oh boy. Okay. This is really starting to test the metal of our Python learning. Oh man, and we're doing complex maths now? My God. Print. 8 by 8. My God. Did you print 6 squared, 7 squared, and 8 squared? Oh no, I'm retarded. I did multiplication. I'm sorry. I fucked up. I didn't do the right thing. Your 6x6 quilts Your 6x6 quilts have become so popular that 6 people have each requested 6 quilts. Print out how many total tiles you would need to make 6 6x6 quilts for 6 people. Holy shit. We need to print 6 times. Does it do like order of operations? Can I have like parentheses in parentheses? I feel like that's probably not, because it's like it's not. I need 6 times 6 by 6 quilts for 6 people. You need to make 6 quilts for 6 people? Wait, does each person want 6 quilts, or do I need to make 6 quilts total for 6 people? Oh no, 6 people have each requested. Holy shit. Oh my God. Okay. 6 people have requested 6. Let's just fucking add this in here. No, that wasn't right. I knew that wasn't right. Don't judge me. Okay. 6 people want 6 6x6 quilts. Let's try this one. My God. Did you print out the number of squares you need for 6 people to get 6 6x6 quilts? Okay, I need... Hold on. I don't know we were doing advanced fucking differential equation calculate. Okay, what do we got? Okay. Your 6x6 6 people have each requested 6 quilts. Print out how many total tiles you need to make 6 6x6 quilts. Okay, this is how many you need to make one 6x6 quilt. So times 6 is how many you need to make 6 6x6 quilts, and then times 6 again. Oh wait. That's got to be a 2. Oh fuck, did I fuck that up? Oh my God. Okay. Jesus Christ, this is so easy. Cake and Jader getting fired soon. All right, we'll just go through 15 because that's the end. Okay. Modulo. Python offers a companion to the division operator called the modulo operator. The modulo operator is indicated by percentage and gives the remainder of a division calculation. If the two numbers are divisible, then the result of the modulo operation will be 0. Lycan, stop fucking sending me ChatGPT messages. Jesus fucking Christ. Stop. Please, God, stop. All of you stop. Don't do this. Okay. 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 The numbers that are divisible, the result of the modulo operation will be 0. Python offers a companion to the division operator called the modulo. Okay, the modulo operator is indicated by percentages. Or wait, I'm sorry. Because percentages and indicates... and it is indicated by percentage and gives the remainder of a division calculation. If the two numbers are divisible, then the result of the modulo operator will be 0. Okay, I don't know what the fuck the point of this is, but okay. Here we use the modulo operator to find the remainder of division operations. We see that 29 modulo 5 equals 4, 32 modulo 3 equals 2, and 44 modulo 2 equals 0. Let's look at another example to get an idea of how modulo is useful in programming. Oh, cool. In each of these modulo operations, 3 is the divisor. Since 3 divided by 3 equals 1 with no remainder, the result of the first modulo operation is 0. Note that as the dividend increases by 1, the remainder also increases by 1 until we reach the next number that is evenly divisible by 3. Whoa! This creates a pattern that repeats continuously as the dividend increases by 1. Whoa! Whoa! What? Because of this, the modulo operator is useful in programming. We want to perform an action every nth time something occurs. Imagine you own a small cafe and would like for every 7th customer to receive a survey. If every customer transaction is numbered in the order they occur, you can determine which customer should receive the survey by calculating transaction number modulo 7. Oh my God. If the result is 0, hand out the survey. Instructions. You are starting a new campaign for your online shop where every 10th customer gets 10% off their next order. To easily calculate this, you decide that order numbers divisible by 10 will receive the coupon. Here comes the first order of the day, number 269. Create a new variable, first order remainder, and set it equal to 269 modulo 10. Do I need to put parentheses around this? Then print out first order remainder to find out if that customer received a discount. I don't remember if this is right or not. I don't need these, right? Did I fuck that up? Whoa, 9! Oh my God! Look at the printed value of first order remainder. Was the remainder 0, meaning that the customer should receive a coupon for this order? Create a new variable called first order coupon and assign it to a value of yes. If the order should get a coupon, otherwise give first order coupon the value of no. Create a new variable called this and assign it to a value of yes if the order should get a coupon. Otherwise, give first order coupon the value of no. How the fuck do I do that? Oh my God. Look at the printed value of this. Was the remainder 0? Well, I mean, no, it wasn't. Create a new variable called first order coupon and assign it to a value of yes if the order should get, well, no, I mean, it shouldn't. So we just say no. No? Oh, fuck. Oh my fucking God. Holy shit, we're fucked. Oh, because it's like, this. Is it looking for a variable if I do that? What about this? Stop. Here comes the second order of the day, number 270. Let's see if they will get a discount. Find the remainder by calculating 270 modulo 10 and store the result in a new variable named second order remainder. Oh, wait, whoops, I'm just fucking all this up. Then print out second order remainder. Based on the printed value of second order remainder, should the customer receive a coupon for this order? Create a new variable named second order coupon and give it a value of yes if the order should get a coupon, otherwise the value of no. Oh my fucking God. Okay. Next. 4 more, guys. Concatenation. Oh my God, the plus operator doesn't just add 2 numbers. It can also add 2 strings. What? The process of combining 2 strings is called string concatenation. Concatenation. How do you say this word?
Concatenation.
Concatenation. Performing string concatenation creates a brand new string comprised of the first string's contents followed by the second string's contents without any added space in between. My God. In this sample of code, we create 2 variables, greeting text and question text, that hold strings and then concatenate them. But we noticed that the result was missing a space between the 2. Let's add the space in between using the same concatenation operator. Now the code prints the message we expected. Whoa, bro, that's fucking wild. If you want to concatenate a string with a number, you will need to make the number a string first. Use the string something function. If you're trying to print a numeric value, you can use commas to pass it as a different argument rather than converting it to a string. Birthday string equals I am, age equals 10. Birthday string 2, years old today. Wow. Concatenating an integer with strings is possible if we turn the integer into a string first. Full birthday string equals birthday string plus string some integer age plus birthday string 2 prints I am 10 years old today. Print full birthday string. Oh my God. We just want to print an integer. We can pass a variable as an argument to print regardless of whether it is a string. This also prints I am 10 years old today. Wow. Using string, we can convert variables that are not strings to strings and then concatenate them. But we don't need to convert a number to a string for it to be an argument to a print statement. Concatenate the strings and save the message they form into the variable message. Ooh, okay. My God. Oh my God. String 1. The wind, which had hitherto carried us along with amazing rapidity, sank at sunset to a light breeze. The soft... Okay, what do you want me to do? Concatenate the string and save the message they form in the variable message. Okay, so message equals string 1, is it just this? Plus string 2, plus string 3, plus string 4. Am I a master fucking hacker? Okay. 13 out of 50. We've almost mastered Python. 3 more lessons! Plus equals. Python offers a shorthand for updating variables. Python offers a shorthand for updating variables. When you have a number saved in a variable and want to add to the current value of the variable, you can use plus equals. Holy shit! First, we have a variable. Stop. First, we have a variable with a number saved. Number of miles hiked equals 12. Then we need to update that variable. Let's say that we hiked another 2 miles today. Numbers of miles hiked plus equals 2. Above, we keep a running count of the number of miles a person has gone hiking over time. Instead of recalculating from the start, we can hit the social media caption. Whoa! We're doing a little bit of online shopping. Find a pair of new sneakers. Right before we check out, we spot a nice sweater and some fun books. We also want to purchase. Use the plus equals operator to update the total price to include the price of nice sweater and fun books. Okay. Total price equals. You're supposed to update the. I skipped over reading it because I'm getting lazy. Nice sweater. Let's just say this works. I don't have to think about this. Plus. This isn't right. I know it's not right. Oh fuck. It's not. I know it's not right. I know this isn't right. Just let it work real quick, and then I can just be done with this. Oh no, it did work. Okay, good. Okay, next. Okay, multi-line string. Python strings are very flexible, but if we try to create a string that occupies multiple lines, we find ourselves face to face with a syntax error. Python offers a solution: multi-line strings by using 3 quote marks. Stop. Instead of 1, stop popping up. We tell the program that the string doesn't end until the next triple quote. This method is useful if the string being defined contains a lot of quotation marks and we want to be sure we don't close it prematurely. In the above example, we assign a famous poet's words to a variable. Even though the quote contains multiple line breaks, the code works! If a multi-line string isn't assigned a variable or used in an expression, it is treated as a comment. Okay. Weird. Assign the string to the variable to you. 2 underscore u equals 1, 2, 3. Would it be incorrect if you put this on a new line? Does that matter? Oh. Oof. Python doesn't like that. Okay. 15. Review. In this lesson, we accomplished a lot of things. We instructed our computers to print messages. We stored those messages as variables, and we learned to update those messages depending on the part of the program we were in. We performed mathematical calculations for some of the mathematical expressions that Python offers us. We learned about errors and other valuable skills that will continue to serve us as we develop our programming skills. Good job. Here are a few more resources to add to your toolkit. Instructions. Create variables. My age equals 35. Half my age equals 17.5. Greeting equals. Do I need to put this in quotes? Hello. I don't remember. Name equals Steven. I don't know if this needs to be in quotes or not. Probably not. I don't think so. Does all this need to be in lowercase? I don't remember. We'll see what happens. Fuck it. Greeting with assign values to each using your knowledge of division and concatenation. Oh, I'm supposed to use the skills I learned. half my age equals my age divided by 2. Is that the working thing? Was it like that? Greeting equals hello. Name equals Steven. Greeting with a name equals, I don't remember this, is name plus, and then a space, hello plus name. Wait, was I supposed to do a thing? Greeting, assign values each using your knowledge and division. Oh, wait, we don't need this. Wait, oh, hello, name plus. I don't know how this works. Hello. Greeting equals. These probably need to be in quotes or some bullshit, right? Because the things I'm trying to define as another variable or some bullshit. Why does it do that? Does this work? Whoa! Hello, Stephen. Greeting. Plus, comma, plus name. Hello, Stephen. You are, can I do like, you are plus my age plus, oh, years old. Just say it. No! That didn't work. Why not? Line 5, greeting with name equals greeting plus blah plus blah plus blah plus syntax error, invalid syntax. Plus, oh, did I forget a plus? Just show me this. Make me feel like I've learned something today. Can only concatenate string, not integer, to string. Do I have to do the... Do I need to do like the function thing? Like this thing? It's not this. Oh God, now we're completely lost. All hope. Oh, never mind, we did it. Okay. Look at that! Wait. Stephen, you are... Hello? Yes. You are 35 years old. I am 35 years old. My God. Okay. Lessons completed. Yes. All right. Do we know enough? Back to our lay epic Python script. Okay. This is my IDE. Got a problem? Okay, import OBS Python as OBS. What does import do? Does it import a library of commands? Import Python. The import system. What does it do? Python code in one module gains access to the code in another module by the process of importing it. What's a module? Module, an object that serves as an organizational unit of Python code. Modules have a namespace containing arbitrary Python objects. Modules are loaded into Python by the process of importing. The import statement is the most common way of invoking the import machinery, but it is not the only way. Functions such as import lib, import module blank, and built-in import invoked. Okay, the import statement combines two operations. It searches for the name module, then it binds the results of that search to a name in the local scope. Okay, so we are importing OBS Python as OBS. Okay, well, so what is this? OBS Python module. Does that mean there's a list of commands or functions or variables or some things that are already here? Reference for OBS Studio Python API. What is all this? How to install OBS Python module? I download the .exe blah 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 Python blah 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 blah. Blah blah blah. You can copy blah 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 blah. Do you think it's Do you think this is already done automatically? Maybe? Python/Lua scripting. Scripting 21.0 adds blah, blah, blah. Note, to use Python or on Windows, blah, 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 you must download and install a Python version that matches your OBS architecture. Then in the scripting dialog, you must set the path to the Python installer. All API bindings are provided the OBS Python module in Python and the obslua module in Lua. Certain functions have been changed / replaced in order to provide script callbacks. See, warning, because bindings, the entire API provided, it is possible to leak memory or crash the program with an improperly written script. Please exercise caution when making scripts and check the memory leak counter in your log file to make sure. Okay, please read the. Okay, I'm going to assume that these are already here. Okay. So we have import. We're importing the OBS Python things, okay? I'm increasing the nuke on ChatGPT to 12 hours. It's going to go to 2 weeks afterwards, okay? Good luck. Okay, as OBS. Okay, from shuttle import move. Oh my God, what do all these commands do? Okay, Python from. What does that do? From date time, import time. Import is, okay. The from keyword is used to import only a specified section from a module. Okay, so from shuttle import move. Okay, so from, I'm guessing this is from the OBS Python module. It is importing the move module from it, or the move section from it. OBS Python module, full code. This should be listed somewhere, I would imagine, right? Like, is there not like a full library that just shows everything in the OBS Python module? Second link, Destiny. OBS Studio scripting, this link. Or license. I don't know what second link means. There's 50 million links on this page. Classes and functions. Holy fucking AIDS. What the fuck? Yes. Oh my God. This is what I want. I want to see this cancer. Yes. Oh, wait, this is a different library. You're right. I'm so sorry. Okay. Shuttle is a different library. Shuttle, Python, library. You're right. Ah. The shuttle module offers a number of high-level operations on files and collections of files. In particular, functions are provided which support file copying and removal. For operations on individual files, see also the OS module. Ah. Is this, even the higher-level file copying functions, shuttle copy and shuttle copy 2, cannot copy all file metadata. On POSIX platforms, this means that file owner and group are lost, as well as ACLs. On Mac OS, the resource fork and other metadata are not used. This means that resources will be lost and file type and creator codes will not be correct. On Windows, file owners, ACLs, and alternate data streams are also not copied. Okay, what is the best What is the best? Is this the most appropriate or the best file copy module? Best Python module to copy files. The shuttle module offers a number of high-level operations of files. Collection files, in particular, functions are provided which support file copying and removal. Shuttle, shuttle, shuttle. These guys all use shuttle. Import shuttle. If the higher level copying functions cannot copy all file metadata, this means that the resource will be lost and file time and creator codes will not be correct. On Windows, file owners, ACLs, and alternate data streams. Does this matter to me? Because I'm copying across drives, and I want this to be accessible to Dropbox and Google Drive. Does it matter if ACLs and stuff are not copied? I'm guessing it probably doesn't. Okay, I'm guessing it probably doesn't. Okay, we'll hope for not. For now. Because he used this, whoever gave me this script, although I don't trust any of you guys. Okay, we're also importing OS, we're importing time, and we're importing logging. Okay, I don't know what all modules are being imported here. OS module, Python. Miscellaneous operating system interfaces. Module provides a portable way of using operating system dependent functionality. If you just want to read or write a file, if you want to manipulate paths, see the OS path module, and if you want to read all the lines in all the files on the command line. Okay, so I'm guessing he imported this module in order to be able to read a file name. I'm guessing. And then import time. Time module, Python. Let's see. This module provides various time-related functions for related functionality. See also date, time, and calendar modules. Although the module is always available, and not all functions are available on all platforms. Let's see. I wonder why he imported this module. I have no idea. And then import logging. Logging module, Python. This module defines functions and classes which implement a flexible event logging system for applications and libraries. The key benefit of having the logging API provided by a standard library module is that all Python modules can participate in logging. Cool. Okay, cute. All right. So we're importing OBS Python, which I imagine is a module created, APIs for OBS. We're importing the move stuff from the shuttle module, which is for moving files, high-level copy moving files. We're importing OS, which I'm guessing is giving us access to file names. We're importing time. I'm not entirely sure why we're importing time. And then we're importing logging so that we can hopefully print error messages or print success messages or print something. Okay. I made it for you, dumbass. Oh, we've got a maker in chat. All right, let's see if this works. Hold on, we got a maker. So let's go ahead and right click, edit file, Control S for save. Let me see what I need to put for the file pathway. Oh, I can't even copy paste this into Notepad. Wait, what the fuck? Wait, will Python interpret these things correctly? This n/ made by Satevis chattings moves a file when file name matches match n to path n/p. /n is new line. It's a new line character. Why didn't he just make a new line? Does this mean it's a ChatGPT script? Is that what this means if there's shit like this in here? /n is normal. Okay. Holy shit. Okay, so you're importing OS, you're importing time, and you're importing OBS Python. So he's not importing shuttle, and he's not importing logging. Okay, match count equals 4. I don't know what match count means. Oh wait, these are just variables that he's defining, right? Is that what that means? If it's just a type thing here or whatever? Def, script description, return, moves a file when file name matches match n to path n, and then made by this tag. Okay, what does def mean? Def, Python. In Python, defining the function works as follows. Def is the keyword for defining a function. The function name is followed by parameters in parentheses. Okay, so he is creating a function, and the function he's creating is script underscore description. Return, what's the difference between like return and print? Return, Python. The return statement is used to exit a function and send a value back to the caller. Can also terminate the function early if needed. Okay, so he is defining a script and then returning, what is this being returned to? Defining a script moves a file when, oh, or is that's part of the definition of the script maybe? Okay, maybe, okay. So this function, script description, when it runs, it returns to it a variable, or it returns to it a value of moves a file when file name matches n string to path n. Maybe? Okay, so let's keep reading. Okay. How or hook to connect recording stop signal. Okay, so defining, oh, we're creating another thing. Script underscore load settings. Hook stop recording signal on plugin load. I don't know what this means. Fuck. Hook to connect recording stop signal. Signal handler equals OBS dot OBS output get signal handler. OBS front end get recording output. OBS signal handler connect signal handler stop signal handler function print attached handler. Stop recording signal on plugin load. Signal handler equals OBS dot. The OBS dot, I'm guessing it's coming, these are all commands that come from the OBS module, I'm guessing, huh? Oh, wow, cute. Okay, the signal handler of the output should not be manually freed as its lifecycle is managed by libobs. OBS front end get recording output. Print attached handler. Okay.